What's up, guys? It's your boy. So guys, it's going to be my first attempt at a wheel swap on this Maystove Charger. As you guys can see, Maystove wheels definitely kind of like suck, and I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't exactly have the right wheels for this. I have like some wheels from M2, so I'm gonna play around with them. I had some issues trying to drill this thing apart. I still have to work on that, as you guys can see. I didn't do a great job, but it's apart. But again, this is like my first practice piece, so I kind of like glue it together and see what it look like. So guys, we're going, as I say, I already took it apart. And anybody that's curious to know what's in Maystoves, there's nothing in here. So, let's say I already drilled this bad boy apart. So, I'm surprised I didn't break the base, but it's plastic, but we'll see what it look like when I'm all said. Well, I'm all done pretty much. You guys tell me what you think. Like I said, that is the inside of a Maystove. So this is a metal body, guys, and the base is definitely plastic, which is very, very forgiving. So I don't have any screws or anything to put in it, so I may just glue it together or just leave it as it is. So guys, I'll show you the end results in a few. Alright guys, here we go. So this is after the wheel swap. Tell me what you guys think. As you can see, the Maystove wheels and the ones I got from M2 makes this car look a lot better. Even though it's not screwed down or glued down or anything like that, it's just sitting on there. I think it still looks cool, and it looks like a Charger should look like. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I get a little bit better at doing this kind of stuff. But again, it's like the first step into doing a little bit custom. So as they say, you start with the wheels and you graduate from there. But I'm gonna be on the wheels for a while until I get the right ones. And like all of these wheels I have over here are definitely, they're like from M2s. So they're not the ones that I exactly need. So I'm just trying to make them fit just for this video, just to see how it works out. Because they still got a little play. So I took this tube and I cut it just to try to like take some of the play out of it. But once I get the right ones, I'll probably take it apart and put the right wheels on there. So guys, that is it. My first wheel swap. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I'm out, guys. Bye now.